Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Camry alternator. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. Next, gather your essential tools, including 10, 12, 14, and 19mm sockets, a ratchet, and a serpentine belt tool. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin any work to prevent burns. Now, let's get that old alternator out. Use a 19mm socket and a long ratchet or breaker bar to loosen the serpentine belt tensioner, then remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the electrical connectors and the main power cable, typically a 10mm nut. Finally, remove the 12 and 14mm mounting bolts, then carefully wiggle the alternator free and lift it out. With the old one out, it's time for the new. Carefully position the new alternator into place and secure it with the 12 and 14mm mounting bolts. Torque the 14mm bolt to 38 foot-pounds and the 12mm bolt to 16 foot-pounds. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the main power cable, tightening the 10mm nut to 87 inch-pounds. Lastly, reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it's properly routed and tensioned. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, tightening the 10mm nut. Start your engine and observe the dashboard for any warning lights. Use a multimeter to check the charging voltage. It should be around 13, 5 to 14, 5 volts. Listen carefully for any unusual noises, like squealing from the belt, which could indicate improper tension. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.